Alright guys, here we are. Donnie Smith Motorcycle 35th Annual Show here. St. Paul, 23rd day. The wild's in town. Snowstorm's coming. Look at that bad boy, huh? So there's a lot of people downtown today. Oh my goodness. Nice Harley. You got clothing, you got bikes everywhere down here. As you can tell. Everything a biker wants. I'm not much of a biker, but I respect them. It's kind of nice. Who's to not sit? Still kind of cool. Look at those bad boys. Oh my word. They have all kinds of, they have bikes galore down here. You can tell they got leather necks. They got all kinds of stuff upstairs. We got a foot of snow coming tomorrow, I guess, so all kinds of boots, helmets, you name it. We got it. Hi. You name it. Harley. Oops. Okay. You name it. Bad boy. Oh yeah, look at that. We'll go over here. Got, like I said, the Wilds in town tonight, this afternoon, so there's a lot of people here downtown. All kinds of these. These look more homemade than they were anything else. You're a motorcycle geek, where they come to. That's a nice bike, huh? Oh, that.
Well, they don't fit. I shouldn't have.
Well,
You get my airfield on, that's fine, but it's just like, you rather have that.
Yeah, they have every year down here. It's pretty. $20 to get in. That'd be a nice bike, huh? Oh my, look at that.
Alright, sounds good. I said it's never been.
Oh, word.
I said it's never been.
Get over here. Of course, they've got food. And all kinds of good stuff here. Burgers are $10 a crack. Now you get into this stuff. In the front of your tricycle. So, yeah. Another nice motorcycle. Look at that bad boy.
I have the windshield.
Look at that one. Oh my goodness. It's a nice one. Jack Daniels. Ooh, yeah. Very nice. Over here, we'll look at. I know these are, for some people, are cheating, but that's what I'd probably be riding right there.
I'm surprised Larry's not coming down.
Nothing wrong with that, huh? That bad boy. Oh my goodness. I'm a Nancy boy. I'd be driving one of these. Whew. How much some of these go for?
Anywhere from 30 to 50,000.
I'm a Nancy boy. I'd rather buy one of these instead of an RV. This would be more fun. Pull a little tent behind or whatever, but I'm not. I just here just to. I think motorcycles are great. I just don't want to be on one. I trust myself with the idiots that don't. You don't trust them. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
But this is what I drive because I'm a Nancy boy. Be well worth it. I'm retired, 70 years old. Save my money. Absolutely. Wouldn't kill myself on it. I'd buy one of those. Retired. It's nice. But you got, you name it, you got it here, man. The t-shirts up the yin yang. True to your local fentanyl dealer, so true. But I see all kinds of bikes. It's kind of nice. He said $20 to get in, but lots of Harley people walking around here. So we'll go over here. Look at some shirts and stuff. We got some. Like I said, the snowstorm coming tomorrow. We'll go over here. We got some shirts. These are kind of cool. It's not nice. I like that one. $60, $50. Nice. I love that color. It's nice. I'm just looking at. I like the color. That's a nice one right there. That's nice.
Sly Fox?
Yeah, that's nice.
I like their new finish line. So it's got the when it's down, it's all business. You roll the cuffs, party.
Oh yeah, heck yeah, nice stuff.
Yeah.
Can you get that online or what?
Yeah.
What's the website?
Mint flannels. Let me give you a business card. Mint Speed Shops.
All right, you guys go right here.
There you go.
There you guys go. Perfect. So, get this stuff. I think they're kind of cool. It's a nice color. That's a nice color. A little thin but nice. I like it. I like those flannels. They're nice. Anyways, as you can see, all kinds of bikes. The first video. We'll finish up with this one. Look at this bad boy. Please do not touch. Nice. All right, guys. Put the Daniel. Nice. It's okay. That makes the video. That made the video. You want to leave it on there. Thank you.